New day, new facts. Hey there, YouTube fams. Welcome to our another captivating journey, where we uncover the incredible mysteries hidden within our own selves. Our first mind-blowing discovery takes us straight into the heart of medical research. Fact number 1. Scientists have recently unveiled a groundbreaking technique that allows doctors to regrow damaged organs using stem cells. Yes, you heard that right. Our bodies have the extraordinary ability to regenerate, and this astounding discovery could revolutionize the world of medicine as we know it. But that's just the beginning. Brace yourselves for an unbelievable fact about our bones that will leave you astounded. Fact number 2. Did you know that our bones are stronger than steel? It's true. Pound for pound, bone is stronger than concrete, and it can withstand incredible amounts of pressure. Imagine the possibilities if we could develop materials inspired by our own skeletal structure. Now, prepare to be amazed by an incredibly rare anomaly found in some individuals around the world. Fact number 3. Meet people who possess an extra bone in their body, known as the supernumerary bone. This additional bone, usually found in the hands or feet, defies conventional understanding and challenges the very essence of human anatomy. Fact number 4. Are you familiar with the concept of phantom limbs? Recent studies have shown that individuals who have lost a limb can still feel sensations and even intense pain in their non-existent limb. Our brains are truly wondrous and complex, constantly surprising us with their capabilities. Fact number 5. Some people can roll their tongues into a neat little tube while others can't. Well, it turns out that this seemingly innocent trait has an actual genetic basis. The ability to roll your tongue is determined by a specific gene, proving that our DNA holds the key to even the smallest quirks in our bodies. Fact number 6. Meet the extraordinary case of Immortal cells. Scientists have discovered a cell line that has the remarkable ability to divide indefinitely, defying the biological clock that limits most cells in our body. These immortal cells have paved the way for countless medical breakthroughs, including groundbreaking treatments for diseases such as cancer. Simply astonishing, right? The human body never ceases to amaze us with its untapped potential and astounding mysteries. So, next time you look in the mirror, remember that you're a walking, breathing testament to the wonders of our existence. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the unbelievable discoveries within the human body. If you want more incredible insights like these, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated.